How to transfer money from Stripe to a bank account. So if you want to transfer money from Stripe to a bank account, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your browser, any browser that you're comfortable with, and then go with Stripe and go with stripe.com, which is the official website. Now, once you've logged into your Stripe, you'll get this dashboard. You need to go with balances, which will be on the left side. Once you're on your balance, you will have this kind of interface, right? Now here you may have an option of add a bank account, or if you don't find add a bank account right here, then you need to go with settings, which will be in the top right. And from the settings, you need to just simply go with bank accounts and currencies, and then go with add a bank account. After that, make sure to verify your identity. If you find any troubles, you just need to simply go with your settings icon and then go with business, and you will find your add a bank account option. You can also schedule your payout. Either you can select manual payout or automatically. You choose a period of time where it may be daily, weekly, or monthly. After that, make sure to select save. You can switch on here to keep a minimum balance in your payments. After that, go with save, which will be in the bottom right, and make sure that you've selected the right currency. And with this, you'll be able to transfer money from Stripe to your bank account. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.